Imagine you're a business owner and you sign a commercial lease. After you move into the new business premises, economic conditions worsen dramatically and your revenues significantly decline. You ask the landlord to reduce the rent in order for your business to stay afloat. Sensing that you might go out of business without the rent reduction, the landlord agrees. You start making reduced payments, which the landlord accepts without objection. After a few months, however, the landlord states that you owe the original rental amount and specifically demands that you pay deficiencies that accrued during the months when you paid reduced rent. Are you legally obligated to pay the original rental amounts for those months? The New Jersey Supreme Court addressed this issue in Levine v. Blumenthal. In 1931, William Levine, the lessor, entered into a 2-year commercial lease with Anne Blumenthal and her business partner, the lessees, for a store in which the lessees planned to sell women's apparel. The agreed monthly rent was $175 during the first year and $200 during the second year. Toward the end of the first year of the lease, Blumenthal and her partner notified Levine that they'd be unable to pay the increased rent during the second year because of worsening economic conditions caused by the Great Depression. Levine agreed to allow them to pay $175 per month during the second year unless and until business conditions improved. Levine thereafter accepted $175 per month for the first 11 months of the second year of the lease. Business conditions didn't improve, and Blumenthal and her partner notified Levine that they wouldn't be renewing the lease for a third year. They surrendered the premises a month early at the end of the second year, leaving the final month's rent unpaid. Levine sued them in state court not only for $200 for the final month, but also for an additional $275, representing the difference between the original rental amount for the second year and the lesser amount paid by the lessees during the first 11 months. The trial court ruled that the agreement to reduce the monthly rent by $25 for the second year was unenforceable because it wasn't supported by any consideration. The trial court specifically rejected the lessee's argument that the effect of the Depression was sufficient to make the agreement enforceable. The trial court entered judgment for Levine. Blumenthal and her partner appealed to the New Jersey Supreme Court.